Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Wizardry error code 215010. This error comes when users try to leave a floor in the game. Instead of progressing, the game throws the error and sends players back to the title screen. After that, each time they log in, they get stuck in the same spot with the same error code. According to our research, this issue is likely caused by a game bug that appeared after a recent update. First, restart your gaming device along with your internet connection. Once restarted, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still shows up, check if the game has any pending updates. If yes, install the update and try again. If the issue continues, then it's likely something the developers need to fix on their end. In this case, we suggest you send a support ticket to the developers and ask for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.